find out what epic thing I will be doing with slime after this. What's up guys, and welcome to another video of Kye Pie, and today I will be doing DIY slime. So please subscribe, hit the like button, or you can follow me on all social medias on screen now, and let's dive into the content. So today I am going to make some slime and then doing something epic with it. So to the kitchen. Currently in the kitchen, and I'm just about to make some slime. So let's do it. Powder. And here is the powder that I'll be using for this video. So now let's pour it in and see what happens. So first of all, I need to put this under a tap. So now we will need to pour the slime mixture in now. And the next thing that we need to do is open it, have a little look, and now we have to leave it for about 10 minutes. So I'll feed back to you in about 10 minutes. You can see this is what the slime looks like, but my slime looks like this. But now I've got to play with it for about 5 minutes. So it's been 5 minutes. So now, let's do the first challenge. So for the first epic challenge for this video, and it is to see how far I can stretch a single piece of slime. So let's go. For my next challenge for this video, and it's to try and blow a big bubble with slime. So let's go down and do it. As you can see, I've got this slime in my hand and I've got this straw. So let's do it. And the final challenge for this video is to go down to my assault course downstairs and try and do it. So let's go down to the kitchen. Let's go up and finish what I have started. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe, hit the like button, or you can follow me on all social medias on screen now, and I'll see you on the next video, and peace out.